Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MIRZATULL BINTI ZAMRI 13-19F 2020. Today we are going to talk about our project presentation 2.
My name is MUNIRAH binti MUSA 13-19F 2018.
My name is Muhammad HASRUL NIZAM bin NORDIN. My matric number is 13-19F 2016.
Introduction. ES Razam Boutique is a startup company that was born on 4 October 2021, but we decided to make an online system on 8 October 2021. Our boutique based on men's and women's clothing. We decided to make an online system because to improve marketing of the company's product. Our boutique offers cheap deals and better price. It is because products come to you direct from the manufacturer or seller without middlemen being involved. For your information, our boutique also uses rider and courier to deliver your parcel. It will make it easy for customer to purchase from another city. By using this system, ordering system will be easy for the manager to observe since all data and customer details will store in the database and it can access anytime and anywhere. Second problem statement. First, tight schedule. Customer don't have time to buy clothes manually from boutique or a clothing store. Second, hard for customer to walk in. Customer do not have transportation to go to make reservations manually from a boutique or clothing store due to your question factors. Third, all the data or information is at risk to be lost. Store operators do not have a more systematic system to store and update their customer information easily. Next, pandemic situation. In this pandemic situation, it is better to use digital financing or online payment method in order to avoid interacting with outsiders. Next, difficult to research or edit information. With manual method, search, update, and delete cannot be instantly accessed if required and will take a lot of time to look through folders. Lastly, low data security levels and standards. All user files are prone to theft and unauthorized modification due to low data security levels and standard. Next objective. To automate and facilitate the whole process of shopping. Customer can purchase product from website using computer, laptop, and also mobile phone. To create the preview for customer to view available or new product and design. The preview will be constantly updated by the manager when there's a promotion or offer available. Next, to allow data to be easily updated and searched by the manager. When the data is stored in the database, it makes easy to find any data or information when needed for a review. Next, to create a database with a function of backup and restore. All the data will be backed weekly to ensure for safekeeping and regularly maintained to make sure everything works with high efficiently. Lastly, to facilitate the use of online technology. Develop more systematic and attractive system by including multimedia elements so that user can easily understand the use of this system. Evaluate the online clothing order system and identifying the needs that must exist in this system to meet the needs and requirements of users. Next, system scope. First, customer. Make reservation, cancel or change reservation detail, able to review and choose available package to each type of service. Second, staff. Accept order from customers, monitoring order data, report system problem to the admin, delivery product process for customer, make sure the product is in a safe condition, and update the last location of the product using the tracking number. Lastly, admin or manager, maintaining and troubleshoot system, daily upload a new menu into the system, update purchase data, ensure system security is guaranteed, monitoring system performance, monitor reservation data, able to update, delete and search data, and last, generate report.
Okay, for the project significant, because of the numerous advantages and benefits, more and more people say they prefer online shopping over conventional shopping this day. The buyer's decision make process has changed dramatically in recent years. Buyers are conducting extensive research online before even speaking to a salesperson. Buyers are also making more direct purchase online and via their smartphone, never stepping foot into traditional brick and mortar location. The internet makes doing business much easier and faster. It's led to change in the way people do business with a rapidly growing worldwide trend towards online shopping or e-commerce. There are a lot of reasons why customers today prefer shopping online. For the first one is convenience. The convenience is the biggest perk. There are no lines to wait in or shop assistant to wait on to help you with your purchases, and you can do your shopping in a minute. Online shopping gives us the opportunity to shop 24 hours. And the second one is the price comparison. Comparing and researching product and their price is much easier online. Also, we have the ability to share information and reviews with other shoppers who have first-hand experience with a product or retailer. And the third one is no crowd. If you are like me, you hate crowd when you're shopping, especially during festival or special events. They can be such a huge age. Also, it tends to be more chaotic when there are more crowds out, and this sometimes makes us feel rushed or hurried. Grumpy, annoying and smelly people also annoy me when I'm out shopping. Plus, parking becomes a huge issue. All of these problems can be avoided when you're shopping online. And the fourth one is you can send gifts more easily. Sending gifts to relatives and friends is easy no matter where they are. Now there is no need to make disdain and excuse for not sending a gift on occasion like birthday, wedding, anniversary, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day and so forth. Okay, for the literature review, the first one is sign up page. If customer does not have an account, customer need to create an account to view the product. Enter appropriate username, email and create a strong password that contains of letters, upper and lower case, numbers and symbol, no type to your personal information and no dictionary words. Then you click button sign up. The second page is login page. If customer already has an account, they just need to insert the username and password. But if they did not remember the password, they need to click forgot password, then click login. The third page is categories page. For the categories page, it contains two categories which are men fashion and women fashion. Click one of them to view the product. And for the product page, if user click button that contain product image and product name, it will go directly to product description. Customer can see the description such as collection, type, material, price, color and size. If customer don't want to buy another product, customer can add to cart first. After done looking for the description and see the measurement detail, click button buy it now. For the checkout page, the customer need to choose the color. If the color not available, the radio button will be struck. They also need to choose size based on measurement detail for the previous page and quantity. Click button proceed to payment and click button back to go back to the previous page. And for the payment method page, customer need to fill in the text box their detail. For the card, they need to insert the name on card, card number, card type, expiry date and CVV. After done submit, it will take 3 to 5 minutes to recognize the card. For the last page is payment receipt page. The output will be shown like as the payment receipt. So that means that your product will be processed in 4 to 7 days working. If you want to print out the receipt, you need to click button print. Okay, for the methodology, waterfall model. The waterfall model is a popular version of the system development lifecycle model for software engineering, often considered the classic approach to the system development lifecycle. The waterfall model describes a development method that is linear and sequential. The reason why we choose waterfall model are, in this model, phases are processed and complete one at a time. Phases do not overlap. This model is simple and easy to understand. Waterfall model works well for smaller projects where requirements are clearly defined and very well understood. First phase is planning. The goal in this project is to decide or choose the system and title for this project. The system that we choose to proceed to online boutique system. This system will develop for customer to buy product through online. The second phase is analysis. The objective are to collect all requirement for user and system. In this phase, information requirement gathered by fact finding using techniques through interview, surveys, document review, observation and sampling. This is an attempt to understand all aspects of the current system and eventually indicate how things may be improved by a new system. For the third phase is design. In this phase contains several diagrams to show and guide the process and flow of the functioning system. This design phase will have divide into logical and physical model. The several diagram in logical, which is concept model level 0 and data flow diagram DFD level 0. Those diagram was built to know more details about the system. Then physical model is designing the interface system. For the fourth phase is development. When the design process of the software is over, the next step will be the coding. In this phase, developers start constructing the whole framework using the programming language chosen to write code. The system was implemented into coding based on sub-model, followed by system requirement. For the next phase is testing. After writing the code, the system module is tested by using single unit testing to test the single module of the system. It to know whether the system fulfill the requirement or not and the completeness of the system. Then the system conducted to test error of the whole system. Any error or bugs will be fixed and the system will repeat testing phase until there is no error found. And for the next phase is implementation. After the system free from bugs, it can have release and can use to the user. Once the system steady state, it reviews that the system has met objective and goals. And for the last phase is maintenance. The final stage includes regular updates. Here the end user can increase the system performance or add new feature. Users start using the developed system after system implementation. The maintenance process also important part because if there was an error, it can correct it, so it will make sure all process of the system function well.
Gantt chart. Planning, research current system 4 day, prepare a proposal 3 day. For the analysis research 4 day, analysis system plans 8 days. For design interface 10th day, design full system 17th day. For development, build interface 70th day, build system 27 days. For integration and testing, compile coding 7 days, system testing 1 day, debug error 5 days. For implementation, release system 1 day, and last maintenance, keep system up to date 1 day. Cost planning, liquid days stop faster 1,200, mobile billing 2,000, expand multi-store and online 900, convert opportunities 650, reduce theft and pulverized 950, optimized stock keeping unit 1400, flexible barcoding 1100, purchase and accounting 1550, paid advertising 500, software program 200, website design 350, web update 250, and web development cost 400. Total item software boutique for per month 11,450. Conclusion. Nowadays, the lifestyle of the people is different. People feel uncomfortable and time-consuming for going crowded market. So, e-shopping is a boon as it saves a lot of time. Online shopping is a process whereby consumer directly buy goods, service, etc. from a seller without an intermediary service over the internet. Shopper can visit web store from the comfort of their house and shop as by sitting in front the computer. Online stores are usually available 20 hours a day, and many consumers have internet access both at work and at home. So it is very convenient for them to shop online. One of the most enticing factors about online shopping, particularly during holiday season, is it alleviates the need to wait in long line or search from a store for a particular item. Where it of good available in online, so the researchers want to know the preference of the consumer. So 50 respondents were met and data were collected regarding the preference toward shopping online. Technology has made significant progress over the year to provide consumer a better online shopping experience and will continue to do so for years to come. With the rapid growth of product and brand, people have speculated that online shopping will overtake in-store shopping. Well, this has been the case in some areas. There is still demand for brick-and-mortar store in market area where the consumer feel more comfortable seeing in and touching product being bought. However, the availability of online shopping has produced a more educated consumer that can shop around with relative ease without having to spend a large amount of time. In exchange, online shopping has opened up door to many small retailers that would never be in business if they had to incur the high cost of owning a brick-and-mortar store. At the end, it has been a win-win situation for both consumer and seller. References. These are the references that our group was using to create this project.